Karen and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial, and I still remain your most wealthy shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola. And today I'm going to quickly show us how I use this particular leather for the Intrecciato weave. I have had a lot of question and reservation about using a leather for it, because in my tutorial, I remember the tutorial I did on this, I used paper. So please follow me as I teach us how you can use your leather. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be notified. Just sit back and I'm gonna be right. So all you need to do is just to follow the process. Now I have already taught us this one basically, but I just want to show us what I do to it. Now I'm going to be using my shoe glue. It's like a repair glue, majorly for repair. I'm going to be using it to hold the folds down. If you look at my leather, you'll find out that it's a double-sided leather. It has a blue on one side and black on the other side. Now I decided to use this one because I want you to be able to see exactly what this is all about. I mean, how you can put together the leather. If you are going to be using, a leather that is not double-sided, all you need to do is just to make sure that you line your leather on the two sides. If you want, you line your leather. If you want it to have the same color, make sure that the same leather you are using as for the main leather is also what you are using to line. Since if you turn the weave over, it's going to be showing the other side of your leather. So whatever color you want to use for your combination, please go ahead and do that. But I need you to ensure that when you are actually weaving your Intrecciato weave, make sure that it aligns with themselves on the edges. That is very important. You can see this side trying to close up properly, so make sure it aligns. That's what makes the work neat and beautiful. And when you are pulling it, pull it well. You can see that my shoe glue is really doing a lot of work right here. So your shoe glue will be doing a lot in this particular Intrecciato weave. And like I said, if you are joining my channel for the first time, I want you to know that I love you. I love seeing new people in my channel. I love you learning. And then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you have already subscribed, please join. You can click the join button and support my channel. Please, I need you guys to support my channel. If this channel has benefited you one way or the other, it's added to your income, it has increased your knowledge, support this channel in one way or the other. And trust me, as you support my channel, it's not like, oh, I just support and it goes like that. I have a lot of packages for each and every section in whichever way you want to support. Just click the join button and you will see the details. So like I said, it's just a simple process I want to show us today. If you love to see how basically I measure the length and all of these measurements, please, I need you to watch the video with this particular thumbnail on the screen, and I will also try or swear to put it at the end of this video. Please always remind me. I see that most times I don't remember to put it. Please, I'm so sorry for that. I will try as much as possible not to forget. A lot of things to put together. And if you would like to join any of my paid classes, I have beginners class, I have more class, I have heel classes, feel free to join, and I'm sure you will not regret it. I have a pattern template also that you actually need to check out. You really need to check it out because it comes with a free follow-up class that will help you with your pattern cutting. This is so sweet. Now, I did code the edges. I really need you to see all those folds. That's one of the reasons I didn't bother to code the edge for this particular strap. So you might have to code yours for everything to blend together. See you next time. Bye.